In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your mic on your PC. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing to the channel. And once you've done that, please go down below and consider leaving a like as well. Okay, let's get straight into this. But here's just a quick note. This guide is going to work on all versions of Windows, including Windows 11, Windows 10, and even previous versions as well. So the first thing we're going to want to do is go and open up your sound settings. You can go navigate to your sound settings by coming to the bottom right of your computer, finding your speaker icon and then right click on it and go and click on open sound settings. Alternatively, you can go and get your settings by clicking the bottom left and going to click on settings here. Personally, I'm going to go and get to there by clicking on open sound settings, and here we are. Then all you need to do is go and scroll down input. So this is going to be your microphone inputting into your computer now. As you can see, currently my microphone is being tested and it's fine. But for example, if I was using this line USB PMP sound device, as you can see, that goes and gives actually no results, which means it's not working. You want to make sure it's on that one there, or one which is giving you an input, otherwise it's not going to work. So the second thing you want to go and try is, we need to come close off of here for now, is we need to go and check our privacy settings. So come to the bottom left of your computer and then go and click on settings just here. And once the settings have loaded, come into privacy. So once you're in privacy, then you want to come onto the left hand side and go and look for app permissions, and then you want to go and click on microphone. It's got the little microphone logo as well. Then once you're here, make sure you've got allow apps to access your microphone switch. If this is switched off, no apps are going to be allowed to access your microphone, and therefore they won't be able to use your mic and it's not gonna work. So all you want to do is scroll down as well, and here you can go and choose which Microsoft Store apps can access your microphone as well. As you can see, some of these are actually switched off. So for example, in messaging, my mic wouldn't actually work in it because it's switched off. So I need to turn that on and then it's going to go and work. So that's one to see a really important step to go and check now. A third thing you need to go and check as well is you actually need to go and check on specific applications. For example, if you're using Skype or Discord, then you can also have their own audio settings and maybe using the incorrect mic. So in this case, I'm going to go and show you Discord. So here we are on my Discord. I'm in my user settings. Then all you want to do is scroll down to app settings and go and click in voice and video at the minute. You can go and see my input device just here, which is on my microphone. But once again, if it's online USB PMP sound device, it's not going to have any input working. So as you can see, okay, let's check, nothing's playing back. But if I do, let's check on this one here, I'm getting some playback. So yeah, honestly guys, you've got to go and check each app you're using the mic on, or which app is not working, to go and help solve the issue. And if after all of those fixes your mic still is not working, it's likely to do with something like the mic not working. So either go and try the mic on a different computer, or you want to try and switch into a different mic on your same computer. For example, if you use laptop, try using your inbuilt microphone and see if that makes any difference. But if you have got any further question, please let me know in the comments. Leave a like.